Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simulator part 1. I actually remake this video like one time, so it should be fun. But okay, now you want to go to service, go press that plus button, go to script, create, make it. You can name anything you want, but I'm just going to make it players, players, leader, stats. Okay, so now what this is basically, you can name anything you want. So now you want to make game dot players. So game dot players, which is a dot player added. So when a player joins a game, colon connect it to a function that parentheses name it players. Also won't work. I mean it won't work, but anything in that, and then you can do anything in that. Basically that and they'll be random. So the first variable inside this bit will always be named player. So yeah, now you want to create a function. You don't really need to make a function, but I like to do that. So I'll write players lead player, players leader stats. So player leader stats. Okay. So now you want a variable for lead stats. So lead stats equals to instance dot new. So it creates an instance with all of these stuff are instance. But for this one, for this video, we're going to be using folder and invalid. Those are the main ones, I think. Yeah. So now you can also parent it by making two player by putting a comma and putting player whatever in that bit. And now you want to go to make leader star dot name equal to leader stats. So you're probably wondering, the script didn't learn now. Why don't I just do this? Well, for Roblox to understand lead stats, it always has to be underscore L, and basically the same as basically like this, or Roblox Lula won't understand what is. So yeah, now you write local. You can name anything you want. Local players clicks. You don't really need to name it. I mean, you do. You can write anything in that variable. You write instant. You can write equals to instance dot new colon. Parentheses for not folder in value. So and now you also want to parent it to the lead comma, parent it to the lead stats. So basically what this script does, yeah, wait, okay, let me just do players clicks dot name equals to clicks. You can name it anything you want, but clicks. And you write players clicks dot value equals to 0. So basically what this does here, this script, it creates whenever player joins, yeah, it'll immediately create a folder inside them named leader stats. So leader stats, whatever leader stats. And then if you have this, it also create an in value. Because you parented it to the leader stats, you could go in value and you make it in value, and name will be whatever you name this in the click store name, and that whatever you named in this. So it'll be named, for me it's named clicks. So and then the value will be set to 0 because you put the players clicks value to 0. So yeah, that's what it will basically do. That script will do. Now you got Oh yeah, we also have to call the function by inviting players lead stats. Without calling it, it won't run. So let's say I don't do that, it won't basically won't happen. So let me show you. See, it's not shown because you didn't call the function. So you can just do that. Oh, by that, you don't really need to do the entire function things. You can just do that and take these function things out. It'll still be the same. So yeah, but kind of it's optional. You don't really have to do it, but I just like doing it extra. So yeah, now we've got the player leader stats out of the way. Now let's make a remote event for when the player click. So let's write player. You can name anything you want, but player click the click button. So I just named it B. But I actually named it replicated. Okay, sorry, I accidentally renamed this. You just want to write that. Okay, now we got that here. Make sure to remove event or it won't work. Now you want to go to start UI, make a screen UI. I won't really be explaining how to do this, so yeah. Do that, create a local script. Go here, go to local replicated storage equals to game colon get service replicate storage, and now you want to get local click uh click event equals, you want to get clicked event clicked uh player player clicked event, you can name anything you want, player clicked event equals to replicate storage colon find first child, so it finds the first child, and player clicked the button. Click the button. So now you want to go to there. Um, Now you want to also write local d bound equals to false. So basically the debounce is set to false. So now you want to write local cool down. This is optional, but you don't really have to do this. 555. Now you want to go to, now you want to write script dot parent dot mouse one click colon connect to a function, and you want to write or you write anything in there, but it's fine. You can write local players equals to game column players, not local player. Okay, now you wanna write if debounce if statement, so it will check if the debounce. So if the debouncer, the variable debounce is equal to false. So whenever you do an if statement, you always want to, you're checking if it's equal to something. You also want to write double equal signs, or it won't work. You will get an error message. Then, so check if the variable debounce is equal to false, which it is. Then we want to set the debounce equal to true. Then, so if it's equal to false, this statement will make it equal to, if statement will make it equal to true. So debounce equals to true, and then you wanna fire the server. So you wanna write player clicked event and fire server, and you write players, and after that you wanna write wait cool down cool down yeah cool down. So basically fire the server to the players, And now you know what cooldown, which is 0.25 seconds. Milliseconds, not milliseconds, but seconds. Um, basically, yeah, 0.25 smaller than second. And after that, you want to import debounce equal to false. Basically, what this is wait the cooldown 0.25. It makes a debounce false, and then it just repeats same thing. So yeah, now you want to make you can name it if you want. I'm not gonna name it. I'm gonna name it players debounce hand hand handler. Okay, basically now, not basically. Now you want to create a script. Again, you want to name it events play events. So now you want to go back to the player debounce handler, copy these two lines, replicate storage and play click event. You want to copy Control C, play click event, control do that, Control V. Then you want to write play click event dot on server event colon connect to a function that player. So yeah, so basically you get to play clicked event on server event. So basically what this means, it it means when a function, remote event or remote function is inside and fired to the server in a local script. So you want to put basically like when it looks like this, you start play clicked event, and then when you write file server when it looks like that, and then you write play clicked event and then on server event, basically this line of code will go into here. So that's what it does. And now you want to write player dot leader start. So get the folder, go to the player, go to the player, and then find the leader start dot clicks. So find the clicks inside the leader start colon value. So find the value 2 plus equals 1. So basically whenever you click the button it will make the clicks dot value plus 1 every time. So let me show you how it works. And because we made a debounce, these pesky little auto clickers, it won't work. So yeah, see, it's going slowly, like it takes time. Basically that's what it does. And now you wanna also, okay, now that works. Let's name this main GUI. Uh, main GUI. Okay, now let's make a text a label where you can see how much clicks you have in case you press tab and you can't really see how much clicks you have. So yeah, let's make it a bit longer. That's perfect. UI corner, make it 0.2 or 3. That's what I'll do. I'll just do 3. Um, now you wanna go to the text label, go to the name. Just not text, not name. Go to the text and put delete. And the text will not be there. Now you want to put another text label, bit extra. I know. Not really extra, but let's say you do it. You want to put another text label and like that, basically like that. And you want to put the text label. You don't really need that. You want to go. You will, but you want to put the background transparency to 1. Go to the text, and you want to name, actually no, you want to go to this text scale equals that, font equals to whatever you want. I'm just going to put vertical one. I'm just going to get a UI gradient because it looks ugly. I'm sorry, but what just happened? Oh yeah, leave UI gradient. You wanna go with that. You do anything you want. I don't really explain this to you, but yeah, I'm just gonna do this. It's gonna take not really that long, but okay. Okay. Now we just put put the text, put the text color to white. Put the UI stroke into into 3. And now let's make the script. So you just want to you can name it anything you want. I'm just gonna name it show players click value. So that's what I'm gonna name it. And let's make a local script. You don't really need to name it, but now you wanna create local variable for for players named player 1v1 game dot local player game dot players dot local player. And now you want to write a while loop. So while true to um script 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 dot parent. So the script dot parent, which is so player click value, dot text, which is text, which is this, and you want to make it equal to the parentheses clicks that space, so it looks nice. And you want to write play concatenate it by player dot leader stats dot clicks dot value. Okay, so basically like that. And please don't crash. Please don't crash. Why is it crashing? Why is it? Okay, it did crash. Okay, I don't know why I was doing that, but sorry for that. Now if we click the button, it works. Why is it never shown? Why is it never shown? Oh, while wait, while wait, now wait for it. So see now showing. So yeah, that's how it works. So peace.